Okay guys, I'm so excited to show you how you can actually get your channel monetized. I'm so excited to show you 3 different strategies to get any channel monetized. But before we dive into that, there is something good that we need to set up, and that is a Google AdSense account. So in order to get our channel monetized, we need to set up a Google AdSense account. And for those who don't know how to create one, you'll just head over to Google. You will type in Google AdSense. So it's really simple. Just Google AdSense, click on that. It will take you over to the next page. As you can see, this is Google AdSense. This is official homepage for Google AdSense, and you want to click on this get started, and then just enter your URL of your website, and that is your YouTube channel's URL. So you will go to YouTube, you will go to your channel, so you want to copy your YouTube channel's URL. So you will just copy this right here, and then just place that over here, and then just enter your email address, enter some basic stuff about yourself, but enter your real name. You know, don't do any fake names, fake numbers, or anything like that. Do everything like it is, you know, your real name, your real phone number, real address and stuff like that. And just keep in mind, so this is very important. Please remember this. You can create only one Google AdSense account, so only one. Don't create multiple of them. This is the one and only Google account that you're gonna have. Because otherwise YouTube will ban you. So Google will ban you. So Google will block you from monetizing your channels. So if you create multiple channels, if you just create 2 Google AdSense accounts, two Google AdSense accounts, Google will block both of them, and you won't be able to monetize any channel in the future. So please remember that. Create only one Google AdSense account. So enter your real name, enter your real phone number, enter your real address, and create just one Google AdSense account, and then you can create hundreds of different YouTube accounts, but only one Google AdSense account. Now, with that being said, let's jump into the first lecture so I can show you the first method to getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time.